Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey engine, ready to go. I'm going to go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block. Have all the forged steel internals in there. Everything is balanced. We have the brand new timing cover, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new balancer, high flow aluminum water pump, new fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, all the fittings installed, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, front sump oil pan on there. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rocker arms are all fully adjusted and set. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. MSD distributor, MSD coil, Y-end aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring on there, throttle cable ball. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at the engine factory. We'll set the ignition timing, dial in the idle mixer screws, balance them out, have them all set for you. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, the oil pressure, cold and hot, in the video. Every engine is videoed, so you'll see your video. We have the chrome dipstick and tube on there, 45-degree thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, all the chrome fuel lines up to the carburetor. We supply the electric choke wire, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line. We install the manifold vacuum fittings for any vacuum hookups. Based on your application, we'll install the proper flywheel. It'll be the proper balance and tooth count for the 427 Ford. So this is the way you get it. A complete custom built turnkey engine ready to go. So our 427 Ford, their 540 horsepower package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.